Hello, my name is Emma and I will guide you through a demonstration today to illustrate that product information management and artificial intelligence connect really well, and as a combination, can provide a lot of value. Welcome to the Product Information Management portal, where you can see the yellow submarine Lego set that was just highlighted in the introduction. We have already been able to obtain certain information about the product. This will be the start of the story that we want to build in order to drive more sales. I show you a preview here of the product page, and you can see it's missing a proper description of the product. Let's fix that by using the Inspire Me function. Here I have the ability to produce content to use on my product page. I can select, for instance, the amount of words. On the right side you can see the information that is already available to help generating a proper description. I can select language to use. I'm also able to select what kind of information to produce, like a short description. You will see two results that I can choose from to use. I can even use the option to adjust the text before saving it. Finally, I run the same preview as before and you will find that the product story for that page is now complete and ready to publish to a sales channel. If you like the yellow submarine Lego set, you will surely like the following product. Here's a pair of socks with yellow submarines. Let's complete the story about these socks by adding a proper description in order for customers to connect and buy them. Again, the Inspire Me function can be used as a start. By default, the function will use name, brand and color attributes that are already stored within the system. However, I can use the configuration option to make a few small changes. First of all, I would like to get 3 suggestions to pick from. Secondly, I would like the tone of the text to be warm rather than factual. Here you can see 3 suggested results, where I can then pick from to use in the product story, or to inspire me to write something bespoke. When saved, the socks are ready to be found and purchased by a large audience. And if you are not 100% satisfied, you have a few other options available too. For example, I'm able to give a few hints in order to get to perfection. Here I'm adding a small, but important fact that should not be overlooked. You will see in the results that the hint is now part of the story. Let's switch to the real thing now. Music. Here we have the album, Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. To enable us to selling this on Amazon.de, I would like to get some help and use the Inspire Me function. As before, some information is already there to help me. We want to sell a vinyl record and not a CD, and by adding this I can actually give the final touch. A second step is then to select the Amazon description from the list of fields that are configured. Finally, I select the language for the story to then get 3 results to select from. I can now enhance one of the suggestions, or immediately save it for my product story. Put on those socks now, as we are taking that vinyl album to the final product in this demonstration. Here is a yellow submarine turntable. I want to build a special story for this turntable now. Again, I go to the Inspire Me function within the InRiver solution. This time, I want to tailor the story towards a few specific customer profiles. Here there is an option available to provide information about the customers that the story should be tailored for. In addition, I would like to try a few other options in the solution. First of all, I will change the tone of the story to more factual. Secondly, I want less options, so I don't need to choose. Lastly, I want to try another language model, as the InRiver solution is flexible to offer multiple options today and in the future. Here you can see the result of my actions, and I am very satisfied. I can now launch this turntable and let the story sell the product. You've just seen a few examples that demonstrate the value of combining product information management with artificial intelligence. As you were able to see yourself, you have the ultimate control on the results. The technology is there to support you in the process at the level that you appreciate. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has made significant progress in the recent years. I want to reveal that what you've just heard from me is actually coming from a cloud-based text-to-speech platform that can generate human-like voiceovers from text. AI, like what you've just seen and heard, is here today for you to use and benefit from.